your statement that the damage arising from the El Nino Dineo has been very extensive, in fact unprecedented in the history of our country. Even in terms of lives lost, it has been unprecedented. I attended the SADC summit and we were comparing notes of damage caused in the region, and it appears that our damage is worse than experienced in other member countries. So I just want to emphasize that the damage is extensive. It affects social institutions, clinics, hospitals, schools. It affects the entire road network. The damage has been very extensive with respect to the entire road network. Residents, inhabitants have been rendered homeless, and we need to do something in order to rebuild their homes. Some of them may need relocation, and in the process, of course, there will be issues of logistics. So the damage has been very extensive. We are estimating, and these are just preliminary figures, we are estimating that to repair the damage, we will need something in the region of 188 million, say 200 million. And these are just preliminary. The assessments have not yet been completed. We are obviously not sitting and throwing our hands in the air as government. We are going to mobilize $35 million ourselves as government towards that effort. We have already certainly tried our best to take care of the immediate humanitarian needs, such as food, blankets, and something to do with sanitation. We have also been in a position to contribute towards re-establishing lines of communication by way of putting temporary bridges. So overall, the cost is estimated at 188, say 200 million, and government will mobilize $35 million towards that effort. I thank you, Honorable Vice President.